Ramesh Mudugaru, Nature Lifespace.
A visionary entrepreneur, emerged from humble beginnings in a small village in Khammam. Mr. Ramesh Mudu, the founder of Nature Lifespace, Nature Avenue's Sandalwood Farms, and Teach 24, whose journey embodies the spirit of perseverance and commitment to ethical real estate practices. Mr. Ramesh believes in a vision. Join with us, grow with us, which is a call for unity and prosperity in the realm of real estate. Nature Lifespace boasts extensive experience in developing exceptional projects with state-of-the-art facilities. And with the able leadership, it has emerged as one of the fastest-growing firms in real estate industry. Mr. Ramesh is conferred with the Gamma Excellency Award 2024. Congratulations for this achievement and best wishes for more such accomplishments in future.